We love our customers and work incredibly hard to make them happy, so when they love us back by giving us a glowing review online, we just have to share what they're saying. Reviews like this are important to us because they tell us we're doing a great job for these satisfied customers and will continue to do so in the future. And as much as we love earning our 5-star reviews from our existing customers, we also love earning 5-star reviews from our new customers. We want to earn one from you. We appreciate you stopping by and watching our video. We're happy to answer any questions you might have. We're only one call away from serving you.